Global 607. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm excited. It's been 2 months since I've done any type of modifications to any of my cars, and today is the day, finally. So we're gonna put some pep in the BMW X5. We're gonna make it go vroom, vroom, vroom. Boy, I'm going the custom route. I did not purchase a whole exhaust, a catback exhaust, or axle back exhaust. It's all gonna be custom. I did order a muffler, and I ordered some tips. And then I'm gonna take the truck to the shop for them to put it all together, custom. Where at? The only shop I'll ever go to. I remember where I brought the Z, Luz Custom Exhaust. That's where we're going today. But before we can go, I'm waiting for UPS to get here with my tips. They sent me an email that they're gonna come in today, so hopefully they come in early so I could do this early today. But for now, let's check out the muffler I got you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the weapon of choice. FlowMaster Super 10. The most aggressive muffler that they have, this size. They have one more that's supposedly more aggressive, but it looks like a cherry bomb. It looks like a resonator almost. This is an actual muffler. Let's check it out. So here it is. This is what we're gonna be running. The Super 10. It got the 3-inch inlet with the 2.5 outlets, dual outlets. Oh man, this is gonna sound nice. Flip it over so you can see the embossed logo, FlowMaster. And this is a really small muffler. I mean, look at my hand. You know, mufflers are, the size of humans. Like the muffler the factory muffler in the BMW right now is the size of me. Like no bull. Like look how tiny this thing is. It's gonna sound nice though. So all we're doing now is waiting for those tips. We're gonna get it popping. All right, guys. So I've been waiting all day for UPS to get here, and they finally got here. But I got good news and bad news. The bad news is that they got here it took them so long to get here that it's too late for me to do it at the shop. The good news is that they look phenomenal. They look amazing. Check these out. Look at these bad boys right here. These are staggered carbon fiber with black quad core tips. Not quad core, quad tips. Look at these things though. Oh man. It's gonna look so sick. So sick. I mean, guys, look how crazy this is about to look, right? So look at these factory tips, right? And then once I put this on, look like, not me? Not me? Yo, that's gonna look so sick. Good morning. We're doing it. It's that time. It's the next day from the last time that we were on film. You know what I mean. We're on our way. We got all the stuff ready here. On our way to Luz Custom Exhaust, the same exhaust shop that I always go to. If you haven't checked those videos out where I take the Z to get the exhaust systems done, check those out. It should be right here or right here. But yeah, we're on our way, baby. Let's do this. And we just pulled up to Luz Customs. It's about to go down, baby. It's about to go down. So muffler is officially gone. Oh yeah, we getting there. So we just took that thing off, right? Look how big that thing is compared to this. Crazy. We got one side in already. It's coming out amazing. All right, so we got it done. We got the tips. We got the pipes going into The FlowMaster, amazing. Kept the valve, kept that valve, you know what I mean? It's professional. Look at that. You know, nice and blacked out. Can't even see it. All right, guys, so we finally did it. Let me tell you, it's actually pretty low. It sounds good though. It's a very nice sound. It's not loud, it's not obnoxious. My Z's obnoxious, but no, this is it sounds gurgly. It's, you could obviously you hear the difference. There's a difference there, but it's not loud. It's just more, a little bit more aggressive. That's all. I mean, that's all I really wanted. This thing was way too low for me, but I think we did the right thing. I think with that, the setup that it has now, I think is perfect. I don't need nothing else. I'm definitely not fucking doing a cat delete. I'm not going that route with this one. I did enough of that with the Z. But yeah, check these tones out. You let me know what you think. Look what it sounds like from the inside. Let me accelerate it really quick. Let me see if y'all can hear anything. It sounds pretty nice in person. No boy, it sounds really nice. I don't know if the camera can catch that though. So guys, I've had the exhaust for a few days now. I've been driving around a lot more. Now I can really get down to the nitty-gritty on how loud it got opposed to the factory setup. And let me tell you, from contrary to what I said before in this video, it's gotten a little bit more louder, more aggressive, but it sounds amazing. Check these tones out. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna give you before and after shots, some revving of how it was, some revving of how it is now, some driving shots. Check these out. You let me know what you think. guys heard the before and afters, the driving shots. What do you think? Do you think that it was worth getting the FlowMaster Super 10 on here? Do you like the sound? Do you think that a different setup would have been better? Let me know what you think. If you like these type of contents, like and subscribe. Boo 617.